At the bottom of the deck, we have the Knight of Wands. Quick action, spontaneous energy, a very passionate energy for sure. What is the message you have for the 8th of August 2024? Thank you. At the bottom of the deck, we have courage, all about inner strength, and the message for today is honesty. Right. So Two of Cups is a partnership card. It is. It can also mean some of you might be having a cordial or a peacemaking or partnership orientation in business, or a fair share of exchange. Snakes in tarot indicate healing. Now, for a lot of you, today would be all about healing and sort of recovering from any sorts of emotional turmoil which you might be having. And this can also come from having a meeting a friend or having a cup of coffee with them or a conversation with someone. This might just start your healing process or sort of get you into the right direction of harmony and peace. For some of you, it can mean an offer. You might be getting an offer of some kind. It can be in terms of business or a love offer as well. These individuals in Two of Cups are usually very opposite to each other, and then they are united by the universe. They are supposed to be together. So today, whatever happens with you, mostly in terms of good, is something you're meant to receive from the universe. So be open to it, and all in all, it's a very harmonious day. Now, like I mentioned earlier, that today is going to be a communicative or a very conversational day for you. So while we are communicating and having conversations with someone we trust, or even if it's in work related aspect of things, if we have some opinion to be given at work, best would be not to shy away from sharing your honest opinion or feedback and for something if it is in the best interest according to you. Please have the courage to voice your opinion, especially for certain segments of you pertaining to business communication. So for today, the message is honesty. Can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. Like I mentioned, please don't shy away from sharing your opinions, sharing your own truth. Because if we are not honest and truthful to ourselves, then what are we even trying to do, right? So I would like for you to go through this message throughout the day, that I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. Meaning, I can expect the truth from myself. Please remember that all the souls watching this video are blessed by the universe. Thank you for watching this video.